Go touch.
Covers PH.
Stuck on you. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay. Stuck on you, been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come home. Guess I'm on my way. And so I just see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay. Whoa, leaving on that midnight train tomorrow, and I know just where I'm going. I pack up my troubles and I've thrown it all away. Because it's time, a little darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video, and of course, the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking latest uploads. Hanggang sa muli, bye-bye!